Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kind of doing like a little bit of so today I'm doing a vlog slash I need to like update my Depop page and update some pictures, really just retake some photos of some items that just haven't really been selling. So I'm gonna be doing that, as well as I need to get some new storage containers for my clothing, just because I had a clothing rack and it broke on me. So it's time to update the clothing rack, as well as just get something else that's gonna be a little bit more suitable for my living space. So I'm gonna go through a few items that I've already have listed or prepared to list for my Depop. I will be doing a thrift haul soon, so also stay tuned for that. But I do want to make sure I like get rid of as much as I can before we move, so that way I don't have as much stuff to take with me. Really just going through decluttering and organizing today. If you're interested in that, then just come along with me. So I have this piece that I haven't worn in a while, but I'm like, the fact that I've lost weight now, it fits way better. So I don't know if I'm gonna sell or keep, so I'm probably gonna keep this. I have a little mini pile of items that I need to go through and take new photos of. So we're in my messy closet. Please don't judge. I was in the process of moving clothes off of the clothing rack after it broke, but I got so overwhelmed. I was like, you know what? Screw it. I just threw all of the clothes in here and hung them up. As you can see, they're not organized anymore. I did have them organized at one point, and that just like, it went right out the door. I'm gonna go through and find the things that I'm wanting to sell and get rid of, because I have so many jeans that don't fit me anymore that I'm going to have to sell, and I'm pretty upset about it. But I'm like, it is what it is. They're just jeans. I can buy new ones. These are like my favorite pair, but I have to get rid of these. I got these from Target, but y'all, like, these don't fit no more. They baggy, but they like baggy because I absolutely like, these are like my favorite baggy jeans, but like, y'all, they're a size 36 waist. My waist is, I want to say, a 30-inch. This is like already 8 sizes too big. I got them to be baggy, but it's too much. I have these that I was originally gonna make. I was gonna make like lace up the butt pants. I was gonna DIY my own version, but your girl can't keep a jean size, so that never happened. At this point, I don't know why I buy skirts. I bought this skirt. I haven't even wore it yet. I've worn this maybe like once, but I don't wear skirts. My butt is just, I think this is too big for skirts. I do have some sweater vests that I bought, which I'll show y'all in the thrift haul, but I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep all of these, because I don't think that I need I don't need as many sweater vests as I have. So I'm probably going to not give some away, but I'm going to sell some. All right, so I did go through my drawers and I found a little bit more stuff, but this stuff I think I'm just going to take to Plato's, because I don't feel like fooling with it, just to see if it sells, and if it doesn't, I will donate the rest of it, that I know that I'm not gonna keep for sure. So I'm gonna continue this journey. I'm gonna make sure, and I'm gonna try to get my girlfriend to do this too, because she got stuff in there that needs to be long gone. So it's a little later on in the day. It actually took me a lot longer than what I expected it to, because I kind of wanted to organize my clothes first, which I went ahead and did. I have them laid out on my couch. So I have it kind of organized by how I'm gonna style it. So like, these are gonna be worn with like jeans. I'm gonna wear this with like this little white tank top, but these are like the skirts that I'm gonna take pictures of. And then there's some more skirts here and some jeans over there. And I also have some shirts that need to be like actually styled as a whole piece, so people can kind of get like the full idea of the piece itself, which are like some dressier tops, some blouses, and like some coats. I'm going to go ahead and head out now that I have already gotten my clothes organized. I'm gonna go to the store now and see if I can find either a storage ottoman or a new clothing rack, because I kind of want to get rid of the clothing rack that I have, just to throw it away because it's bad and it's already broken. Here's a quick little OOTD. I got some thrifted. These are like mom jeans, but they're leather trousers. And they have like this little pocket right here. And this is one of the tops that I decided to crop because it just needed some life. The shirt that it was originally just wasn't really cute. It was just long. And for me to like it and fit my aesthetic, I was like, it needs to be cropped. Check me out, let's go. I decided to come to Home Goods and I did find the containers that I needed. These are it. I couldn't decide between these two ones and this one, so I had my girlfriend decide for me, so I'm gonna get these two and this one. Just trying to find a clothing rack online because I don't think I'm gonna find one that's suitable for what I'm looking for, so I'm gonna head out. So I currently have this stuff over here. I'm going to take this stuff down and put this stuff in here. Grabbed two different small ones, so I'll put like shirts and like small accessories and stuff in this one, and I'll probably put like purses in another one or something. I don't know yet. So before I go ahead and put stuff up, I'm gonna go ahead and take the photos first. I'll let you guys kind of see how I do that, as well as put everything back up. Shadow, say hi. Hi, baby. So to take my Depop photos, I basically just use a little Bluetooth camera shutter and my phone. It's the same kind of process that I take for taking my actual photos, but what I'm doing is posing differently so I can show the piece off in different angles, so that way any of my potential customers and anybody else on Depop can kind of see how the item is styled and what it looks like fully. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I got tired and I didn't feel like filming anymore, but I put all of the clothes that were on here, and I also brought some shoes out and put them there. I might still keep the clothing rack, but it's bent, so I'm like, I need to just get a new one before we move anyway. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys that really quick before I left for work. Morning! You saying hi, Shadow? So I sold my jeans. Well, I sold a pair of jeans last night. I'm gonna show you guys how I pack up my packages so you can see how I do that. Okay, so first things first, I'm going into my Depop app, which I'm gonna go ahead and screen record so you guys can see what I do, but I also don't want information disclosed, so I'm gonna be very diligent in making sure that I'm not showing this girl's information. So I'm going to go into here, and it says right here at the bottom, it says view shipping labels. So I'm gonna tap that, and of course it has her information, which I said I probably will block out, and then I just hit print. And I have my printer attached to my phone, so I just select my printer. I take it off of colored and double-sided to single-sided black and white because we don't want to use up my colored ink. And then I just hit print, and it should send the notification to my printer because it's a Wi-Fi printer. So once I print this off, I will have this put on my packaging when I wrap it up. So like I mentioned, it printed off here. Communication is everything with customer service, so I always try to make sure that I'm being very diligent and super professional. So I'm about to send a message to the buyer letting her know thank you for her purchase. It means a lot. you know, da 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 da. I just kind of word it however I feel in that moment, especially because this is something I'm super passionate about and I love selling these items. So when I sell an item, it genuinely brings me so much joy. And if you're not following me on Depop, add me. It's SheW, so it's SHEE and then W. But you could also follow my Depop Instagram where I just post like everything that I've basically updated, and it's just sheet closet. And I'll have everything tagged down below so you guys can get to that. I go back in and I send my message, and then I pack my package and I mail it off. Okay guys, so these are the jeans that I am selling. They are some vintage Y2K like 90s BB jeans. They're super trendy, but basically once the item has sold, I would try to make sure that everything's cleaned off and I properly fold it nice and neat. And then I take my tissue paper. I'm using glittery tissue paper that I had from Christmas. Because I'm like, I have to use it and get rid of it, so I might as well. And then I just fold it into the tissue paper twice, and then after that I will tape it. So for my packaging, I just use poly mailers from Staples. They have a few different sizes, and I did buy a variety of different sizes due to people purchasing bundles as well as larger items. So as you can see here, I'm just making sure my package is nice and neat and smooth because presentation is everything. I don't know what it is or if it's just me, but I find packing orders and making them so neat and just, I don't know, it's just relaxing to me for some reason. And lastly, once I finish taping the shipping label on, my package is ready to go to the post office. Baby, show your feet.
Where are we going?
Show your feet. Cute. We here. What's up? Came to eat. I smell burgers and it's making me so hungry.
And the lady was like, I had already walked to the PetSmart and shit at this point.
Oh my god, your food looks really good. Hey guys, so I'm on a like quick lunch break. Well, not even really a lunch break, just like a 15-minute break. I needed to come drop off a package. There's a little postage thing by my job, so I'm going to show you guys where I take it to and what I do. If I'm not going to work, I will just take it to the post office, especially if the package is really big. It needs to go in the actual thing that they have at the post office that'll fit bigger packages. So I'm going to take you guys along with me so you can see where I go. Alright guys, so here is our little collection box for the USPS. I just take my packages right in here, drop them off. They pick up every 1 p.m. And once my package is shipped off, I receive notice about tracking and I just wait for feedback from my buyer. This is it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.